What would be your best move if you encounter this question in exam? We are asked to find the value of x in 6 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x divided by 10 raised to the power of x plus 15 raised to the power of x equals to 27 all over 125. To solve this question, do not forget that 6 can be written as 2 times 3, right? 6 is equals to 2 times 3. 9 can be written as 3 times 3. 10 can be written as 5 times 2. And 15 can be written as 5 times 3. Okay, so the first step is that I'm going to replace 6 as 2 times 3. So I'm going to have 2 times 3 raised to the power of x, right? Plus, I'm going to replace 9 as 3 times 3. So I'm going to have 3 times 3 raised to the power of x, right? Divided by, I'm going to replace 10 by 5 times 2. So I'm going to have 5 times 2 raised to the power of x. Plus, also, I'm going to replace 15 as 5 times 3. So I'm going to have 5 times 3 raised to the power of x. This will be equals to 27 divided by 125. Okay? Now, do not forget that if you have a times b raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of c multiplied by b raised to the power of c, right? So I'm having 2 times 3 raised to the power of x. I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus the same law, I'm going to apply it here. Plus 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x divided by, okay, for the denominator, I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x. This will be equals to 27 divided by 125. Now, let me ask you a question. What is the next step? Or what did you observe at the left-hand side of the equation? If you check well, you will discover that at the numerator, 3 raised to the power of x is common to this and this. So at the denominator as well, 5 raised to the power of x is a common factor. So we're going to factorize out 3 raised to the power of x at the numerator and 5 raised to the power of x at the denominator. So we are going to obtain 3 raised to the power of x. Okay, we are going to be left with 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of x. This divided by, at the denominator here, we can factorize out 5 raised to the power of x. So I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of x. This will be equals to 27 all over 125. Are you following? Okay, now this can eliminate this. So at the left hand side of the equation, we are left with 3 raised to the power of x divided by 5 raised to the power of x. This will be equals to 27 all over 125. Recall this law, a raised to the power of c divided by b raised to the power of c. This can be written as the ratio of a to b raised to the power of c, right? A raised to the power of c, because the exponent is common to both the numerator and the denominator, we can express it as this. Now, if you check the left-hand side of this equation, the exponent of the numerator and the denominator is what? X. So I'm going to have 3 ratio 5 raised to the power of x equals to, now, 27 can be written as what? 3 raised to the power of 3, right? So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 3 divided by, now, 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 3. So replace it, 5 raised to the power of 3. Now, because both of them have the same exponent, both 3 and 5, they have the same exponent. So we can rewrite it as this. Using this law, you understand? So if you compare both sides of the equation, it is obvious that the value of x is what? 3. Because the base are the same, the power must be equal. So x is obviously equals to 3. You can see that the solution is simple. Yes, it is. It's as simple as ABC, provided that you know how to factorize and also you can think. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question as touching what we discussed here, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, okay? See you in the next class.